And the IFTA goes to Bernadette. Notes in a political journey.
This is Gordon Brick, who is the genius who put it all together. I'd like a round of applause, please. For poet and philosopher Michael D. Higgins. From bad lands where eggs are small and dear, climbing to worse by a stonier track, when all are spent, we hear it, the right song for the wrong time of year. I very much welcome the acknowledgement of a great and indomitable spirit, and that's Bernadette McAlliskey. I say thanks to her daughter Deirdre McAlliskey and to, of course, herself, and to a great band of ragamuffins who helped put this together over a long, long time. To the Galway Film Centre, Shay and Pete, to Deirdre Lermont, to Tracy Geraghty, to maybe some names that you haven't necessarily heard before, but to Joe Comfort, a great and dear friend and a marvellous cameraman. And of all of the geniuses that I have worked with over the 1,000 years of my life, Gordon Brick takes pride of place as a great editor. Thank you, Gordon. And the message is simple. Keep singing, keep cherishing, feisty, rebellious, awkward, difficult people. That's what we're about. Cherish uncertainty, cherish failure, cherish poverty, cherish ourselves. Thank you.